To another form Titan video. In this video I will show you how to upload multiple files through Titan DocuSign. Okay, let's get started. So this is a PDF file, so let's bring a PDF directly in here quickly. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a contact, and then we're going to push multiple files through that contact, and then we're going to push them to Salesforce. Nice and easy. Let's get a couple of text fields like this. Like this. Alright, I'm just going to copy and paste them just to speed up the process here. Next, I'll get signatures. Let's add that over here. And then what I want to do is go ahead and tag each of these fields. Very important. First name, last name, email, mobile, donated amount. Next, if you go to Document, Salesforce Integration, Set Push, this is where you'll configure your attachments. But before that, if you go to Document Submit, you need to check File Attachments. When you check this, you can specify the data type that you can accept. So dot here, I can accept images. I can also do .pdf. I can do .txt. So you can really specify which format you are willing to accept. Okay, and that's followed by a comma. And that's pretty much how you do it. So once this is specified and you're good to go, you can also specify how many files they can upload. So in my case here, I've said 3. 3 is the max they can upload. And by the way, we do have a file limit. It's 30 megabyte. So if it's anything more than that, we'll not be able to push it through. Very important to understand. Once this is done, you can also check required file attachments, which means that once this is checked, it is required for them to upload these file attachments. So I've checked that in my case. Next up, it's setting up the push. First, we'll push the data into contacts. So let's go and map those fields. Last name, first name, email, mobile, and then finally is the donated amount. And that's it. Now, this is the important part, pushing the files. You can either push them to files or notes and attachments. I will use files for this. I'll choose files, aka content version. In the map fields, you can give it a title if you want. So you can give it a custom title like this. You can say, you can choose concatenation. You can just say first name attachments, or first name files, whatever you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say first name files / attachments. That's it. And then I'll click apply. Next, the important part is the version data here. So for version data, I'm going to choose, actually you should always choose, is attachments. This is what we'll use the files to push through. So I'll show you what a map fields looks like. Like this, custom version data, like that. Click apply, apply, and then obviously understand that because I've done a child, it's there now. So click apply, save, and you're good to go. So let's click save, and it's saving, and then once it's saved, we're going to publish the data. But obviously before that, I'm going to make it public, so there's nothing involved here, and I'll just go ahead and publish it. Now once I've published it, I can enter the data. I can say attachments, blogs. Actually, we'll call it Johnny Blogs, and we'll call it johnny@blogs.com. Give him a mobile, donated amount, and then we'll go ahead and sign it. Once it's signed, I'll go to my attachments, drag to attach the files. Now you can see that .pdf and PNG are available, so I can push these like that quite easily. Now they're in, I'll go ahead and attach, and I'll go ahead and finish sign. Once I've finished sign, again, we'll go to the integration logs to make sure what's happened. Refresh, there's my contact that's just been created. Go into that contact now. Okay, here it is, Johnny Blogs, and look, here it has come through. Johnny Files has attachments.jpg, PDF, and they're all there. Alright, and that's how you do it. That's pretty much how you set up your files and attachments and either push them to files or notes and attachments. The key point here is to make sure that A, you give it a name, B, make sure that it knows where it's going. For me it was contact, but for you it could be any object. And then in the version data to choose attachments. In notes and attachments it will be like this, so I'll quickly show you. So how it works for notes and attachments. For attachments it will work like this. So that's fine. File name, you obviously need to give it a file name, could be anything. Just like I showed you in the actual file, you can use a concatenation, you can call it file attachments or test attachment, whatever have you. But what you need to make sure is this bit here, the body, that's called the attachments. Like that, and it will push that data through for notes and attachments. And this is how it's done.